Magnolia Beverage Masters.
Mukhang looking good itong Air 21. They're very confident. Si Winnie Arboleda even looked our way and gave us a nice wink.
Si Winnie talaga, kinikindatan tayo ha.
Iba talaga ang snatcher ito. Parang baby face eh. Very deceptive.
Ito ngayon si Olsen Racela. Calagio, they move the ball around. Ito Magnolia with 9 seconds remaining their shot clock. Na double team si McCaskill. Very patient sa opensa ito Magnolia, and it pays off with a TM3 by Olsen Racela.
And that's big because that's also the first 3-point conversion of Magnolia. Lamang kasi ang Air 21 in that department. So, Olsen Racela bringing down that lead to just 5 points.
Oo nga, nakalima na itong Air 21 na 3-point baskets. Ito, nakaagaw pa. Ito Magnolia. Here's Daniel Defonso. Hindi niya natapos yung fast break na yon, looking for a 3-point play opportunity. Kaya nanghihinayan dyan.
And that's the kind of hard-nosed defense that you can count on with Winnie Arboleda. Kita mo naman, no? Small man versus big man, one-on-one situation. Ordinarily, you would have Daniel Defonso making that kind of a shot, but he was distracted by Winnie.
Well, you know, we are in the playoffs. This is the semifinal, so there are no soft fouls here.
Tama.
You have to earn your points.
No easy baskets, ika nga.
Oh.
Now, we noticed also that here in the second half, Danny Seagal is not in the starting 5. It's Mark Pingris in his place. So maybe Danny Seagal is not 100%, although early in this game, it looked like he was in high spirits and in fine shape.
Dunk pa nga yung una niyang basket eh. And then he was very aggressive offensively.
Danny Seagal playing only 7 minutes in the first half.
Another turnover for Air 21. Here's Mark Pingris, met by Arwin Santos. Pingris goes thrown inside, gets the basket.
Yon ang aggressiveness na hinahanap ng Magnolia, and Pingris is providing that ferocity and the level of intensity na kailangan ni Coach Chot Tankinsen from his players.
Well, when he was still playing for Pure Foods, dyan naman nakilala ito si Mark Pingris for his bundle of energy.
Yes. At saka yung tapang niya.
Oo, yung tapang niya. And this is what he is giving itong Magnolia Beverage Masters ngayon.
You know, I also remember that Coach Ryan Gregorio of Pure Foods gave Mark Pingris a chance to start. And he responded very well to that role. But he's coming off the bench with Magnolia. But here in the second half, you notice he started for Magnolia.
It's been paying off dahil na ito itong Air 21, di pa nakakascore dito. Itong Magnolia, only down by 1.
Yung pinag-uusapan natin na aggressiveness si Pingris, I think Coach Chot Tankinsen is hoping that rubs off on McCaskill. McCaskill is certainly not aggressive in this game. And you don't want that from the import. You want an import who's aggressive, who will invite a double team, and who will go strong to the hole and will take trips to the line. McCaskill in this game has not even gone to the line for free throws.
That's right. In the meantime, Chris Calagio getting another foul. That's the third foul on Chris Calagio. Trying to shadow ito si Gary David. Here's Winnie Arboleda. Arboleda finds a space pero wala yung kanyang tira. And here's Steve Thomas getting another basket and a hauler after that. Very, very intense itong player na to. Kasi Steve Thomas, no?
At saka he really has a nose for the ball. Makita natin, a screen provided by Thomas for Winnie Arboleda. Tip in, tapos a second offensive rebound. And we were talking about dominating the paint by Air 21 with second chance points. And more of those now coming here early in the second half.
Back to a 4-point lead dito para sa Air 21. Nakaagaw pa dito si Winnie Arboleda. Lead pass. Intended sana para kay Gary David. Pero natapik pa yun ni Homer Se. So counter turnover here. Here's Olsen Racela. Niluwalang yung bola. Offensive rebound for Chris Calagio. They set up their offense. Gusto pumoste itong si McCaskill. Good turnaround. Left-handed hook shot. No good.
He's forced to change his shot. Even he had the seal position against Thomas. I think McCaskill is very wary of the strength of Steve Thomas defensively.
But Thomas just gives Air 21 another chance to score here. Uy, kapos yung tira ni Arwin Santos. Olsen Racela accelerates. Racela Masigilan inside pero natapik yung kanyang pasa. Turnover after turnover nakikita natin dito sa start ng ating second half. Ito na naman, no? Baksak si Chris Calagio.
Calagio is making good use of his 6 fouls. Meron na siyang 4. Nabanggit nga natin, he didn't play the last 2 games. But he's there for defensive purposes mainly against Gary David.
Pang-apat na foul na yan ni Chris Calagio. Ayan, may technical foul kay Winnie Arboleda. Second motion yung tinawag kay Winnie Arboleda, which after that foul, may nakita yung referee na he stuck his foot out. And protesta dito ngayon si Winnie Arboleda and Coach Bob Perasol.
In an uproar now is Air 21. But Calagio will be at the stripe for the free throw.
Ito, makikita natin yung nangyari dito. Ito muna yung foul ni Chris Calagio. Ayun, yung pinabol ng paa.
Tama naman yung tawag. Nakita natin doon. No? Nagkaroon nga ng second motion with the leg.
So ito ngayon, play continues. Si Thomas, handoff para kay Gary David. Uy, ang ganda pag-spin dun sa defenders niya, pero nawala lang yung bola. 3 seconds na titira sa shot clock dito ng Air 21. Let's see what they'll do here. Inbound ni Gary David. Nasa labas dito si Thomas. 3 seconds to shoot. Not a good attempt para kay Thomas.
You know, I was surprised if Gary David was the one who inbounded. No? You would want him to receive the ball from the inbound with 3 seconds to go.
Here's Chris Calagio. He has 4 fouls. Calagio sumubot sa loob. Here's a baseball pass to Arwin Santos. He catches it. And Arwin Santos does not finish.
May foul, may tulak doon.
Kung yung sasalo ng bola, hindi as athletic as Arwin Santos, hindi masasalo yun.
Oo.
Kaya lang, grabe yung athleticism nitong si Arwin Santos. With his long arms.
And his high leaping ability.
Oo.
Well, Arwin Santos is in the running for the MVP honors.
That's right. Last year, he was in the running for Rookie of the Year honors. Nosed out by Kelly Williams. Ngayon, MVP na kagad ang
And mataas talaga ang improvement ni Santos.
And if they can make it to the finals, big boost yun dun sa kanyang
Kaya nakita natin ang Air 21 bench coach Bob Perasol living the moment here in the semifinals, looking to open a 3-1 series lead over Magnolia.
Jose Rosella, tightly guarded by Winnie Arboleda, nakawala. Ito na ngayon, Daniel Defonso, nagdalawang isip. Danny I against Homer Se. 6 seconds to shoot for Magnolia. Goes inside, blocked by Steve Thomas. Homer Se bringing down the leather. Homer Se ngayon. Crossover niya, muntik mawala. Arboleda signaling the play for Air 21. Looking for Thomas at the post. Hindi maibigay. Ayan, finally he does.
You see the players on the floor on your screens with their points contribution so far.
Oh, it's a bailout foul, 3 seconds na lamang natitira dun sa shot clock ng Air 21. Tapos penalty na ngayon ng Magnolia.
At marami pang oras dito sa ating third period. 7:43 to go. Air 21 now shooting free throws on the penalty.
3 free throws for Steve Thomas.
Sayang yun, para sa Magnolia.
Well, Thomas is outplaying McCaskill in this game. Thomas missing the free throw. But the good news is Thomas has gone to the line 4 times in this game. McCaskill not even a single free throw attempt.
Wow. In the meantime, pumasok na ulit si Dorian Peña. Siya po yung nang-agreean dito ni Steve Thomas, Nung halftime, tingnan natin. Have to watch out these 2 guys. In the meantime, ito pong Air 21 has weathered the rally by Magnolia. They're up 63-57. We have a time